Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK, Canada, and I also upload my daily analysis on the important currency pairs like British Pound, Japanese Yen. And I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home, so I do not have any professional setup, so I apologize. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen for 25th Feb 2021, Thursday. This analysis is for today only. Tomorrow I'll come down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay, so let's look at the chart. Right now trading at 150.11. And if I zoom out a little, you can easily tell that the market is an uptrend. Okay, so there is mm, no position that will be going for, will be looking for selling opportunities. Okay, in a trending market like this, we'll only look for buying opportunities because we all know it very well that trend is our best friend, trend is our everything, trend is our life partner. Jokes apart, uh, we need to stay with the trend. Hmm. So we need to look for the area of value. Okay, so the area of we can see that the area of value is around the 20 period moving average. Okay, this red line is a 20 MA and this blue line is a 50 MA, and market has not come down to the 50 MA for last couple of days. And it is just taking support at the 20 MA and just hmm, bouncing off from there. So if you're thinking that you can go ahead and buy right now, this is your area of value, then I'll say that you just need to wait couple of hours because stochastic, you can look at the stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI is still going down. Okay, let stochastic RSI reach this oversold level, and from there when it will start going up again. Okay, once it reaches the oversold level, when it will go up, then you see where the price is. If you find the price at 20 moving average, and if you see that after taking support at the 20 moving average it is bouncing off from there, then it is the best area of value for you. Okay, and in case if it breaks the 20 MA, and then it should take support at the 50 MA, and from 50 MA it should bounce off. But looking at the trend, it looks like that it will take support at the 20 MA when the market will be in oversold zone, and from when market will be moving from the oversold zone, then it should be around the 20 MA. Okay, then it will be your best position to initiate the buy order, and in case it breaks the level, then 50 MA is there to provide support. In a trending market like this, there is not much complication, we all know it very well. Okay, but still we need to look for the area of value because it is discipline is very important. Without discipline we cannot protect our capital. The first and foremost duty of a trader is to protect his capital, because if we cannot protect our capital we won't be able to make money. It is impossible to make money if we do not have capital. So capital protection is important, and we can only protect our capital when we will have discipline. Okay, so let the market come down to the oversold level and bounce off from there. This will be your area of value. Okay, in case it breaks down, 50 MA is there to provide support. Okay, so this is the analysis of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen for 25th Feb 2021. Okay. Hopefully you all have understood, and if you have found the video informative, then please like the video and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, then you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.